Today is 10th December 2025. Day is WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. This is Majiwada Junction. This is metro, the new construction going on. Metro. Yeah, you see this metro going on. This is Ashar, the tower which you see. See this building now. Ashar, within 1.5 years, these two towers, side also one. Yeah, my God. No, that side, yeah, back side. Very good, yeah. Now we come to the main menu, our main menu. Yeah, my God. He's waiting. This is cafeteria. Yeah. He's waiting for this place. Yeah. This is Majiwada Junction. Yeah, my God. He's waiting for food. Somebody will give whole night. Maybe he has got his food now. He's sleeping. Yeah. No human being takes care. Here I have not seen like in other places, of the world. I should not name the countries, but they are the people. They make canopies. They make shelters. They know how to make what type of shelters are required for. But here, that much in the societies, in social living, not that much of sense among the human beings.